this one out, so just shift it out of the way. Is this it's out. So once you get this out, you can get a new one in place. Now this is not a fit for this very car here. This should be for 2006 model. I don't know why they think it's gonna work out. It does work sometimes, but it always start giving problem later on. So you can see this doesn't typically comes with this car. Someone got it there, and this guy just bought this car with this shit. So let's go ahead. So for you who are putting the new one, make sure the oil that is coming out of the here, which you're gonna flip it over and take the accurate oil measurement, then measure the same thing and put into the new one from the PAG oil, which you're going to be using to install it. Do the same thing to the condenser and use the same way to get it back in. So thank you for watching. Then for most of you who are going to be thinking of flushing the system, you want to proceed further, then follow us along. Let's go. No, it's only there. 10mm wide, the other ones are 5mm. So now what we're trying to do here is to get the air intake manifold out, as much as the throttle body, everything here, including the box. So that's why we actually get the barrel out. But if you're doing this and you don't want to, you want to just replace the compressor, don't go ahead and remove this one. Just leave them in place. So you have 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt at the end here. Then inside here are 5mm Allen key. But before getting there are some other things you need to do. To disconnect this vacuum hose. So let's just get some hose. Okay, twist it. If it doesn't go, just take your plier, gently wiggle it, wiggle, and okay, I just heard the sound right there. That's like Christmas, and it's out. Okay, you also want to pinch this and push it aside. Okay, you heard it making noise there. So okay, snap this in so you don't forget it. Okay, you want to do the same thing inside. There you go. Now the next thing you want to do here, you want to disconnect this one too. Most of them are actually going to be strong. Be careful, don't damage anything. So this one you have to pull it and okay, disconnect it. Then here we go. This one here you have 10mm bolt here. You need to lose it out. You need to lose the air passage boot there is 10mm all the way. And the airflow meter, don't forget it. If you forget it, the engine is going to start misfiring as soon as you're done. Though there is no way you're going to do all this without the engine throwing some trouble code. So you want to go ahead and erase it when you're done. Some of it can be rust, so do make sure that you spray WD-40 or use a brake fluid on it to avoid getting it broken. This one is out. In order not to forget it, when you lose it, you screw it back in there. So this one here is 10. Where you're running into. So you want to make sure that you apply some brake fluid here to allow a very smooth transition when you're getting it out. Okay, now this is not out here. To have another 10 here also, so I want to also lose that one too. But sometimes you might not even need to mess with this one here if you know that you can actually remove this one. So let's try to leave this one in place and just get this manifold out, because all we need is just a space down there. But there's gonna be a lot of trouble trying to get it because there is a hidden bolt down there. So gonna be needing to put hand here to do it. So gonna be needing to get this one out. Gonna be needing a longer extension like this to get in there. Okay, lose it up, lose this shit up. So let's check this guy here. Now she's moving, so help me hold this camera, buddy. I'm gonna push this guy here, shift this boot, wanna shift it, shift boot, shift. Okay, now here you go. I want to do the same thing to this other guy here. There is nothing holding it on the other side, and there she comes. She's out. Right. Okay, now for the F4 meter, you're just gonna press the button and pull. Press it and pull. You're not gonna see this, but you're just gonna feel it. Push it and pull, push it in and press it and pull. Gonna have some stocking shit there. Oh man, I've been needing a flat to actually get that on, get that out. Damn, that shit is clean, man. Okay, so don't forget whatever you're losing down here. I'm seeing some water spillage.